Yo, welcome back guys. I am Harsh and today in this video I am going to teach you a photo editing, a Desi photo editing, so that you can make pictures pop out and amazing, just amazing. So keep watching this video and like this video. So guys, today in this tutorial we are going to edit this Desi girl pic and we'll make a cool effect, so watch it carefully. So first of all, let us go to this light color and increase the contrast, decrease the highlights, increase the shadows a bit, decrease the highlights, whites, and increase blacks a bit more, increase the exposure. Now go to mix. Now go to, don't increase the red, go to orange. Don't increase the saturation, increase the luminance. Take it to the left and take it to the left and increase the saturation, increase the luminance. Take it to the left and increase the luminance and increase the purple color. Take the purple color saturation up and the luminance also increase. Now go to clarity, increase the clarity, increase the dehaze, increase the vintage effect. Now go to sharpen, increase the sharpness a bit more, increase the noise reduction, increase the color noise reduction. Now our half photo is done, so we have to save it, and I have already saved it, so you must save it from here. Now we save that pic and now open it again here and increase the exposure a bit more. Go to mix and go to green and take it to the left. Take it to the left, increase the saturation, increase the luminance. Now this one is perfect, and increase the exposure a bit more. Now you can see the quality. This is what you are going to get the output, and this is an amazing photo edited. And thanks for watching. Keep supporting, keep loving, and follow me on Instagram and press that subscribe button and bell notification. Bye bye guys, take care.